Let's now talk about cumulative frequency curves. Cumulative frequency curves are curves having the variable, which is, in this case, it will be x on the x-axis, and the y-axis having the cumulative frequency. Always, a cumulative frequency curve has an S shape. Always the cumulative frequency curve comes in an S shape. From the cumulative frequency curve, I can find different measures of location and some percentages that are asked in my question. Let's see now an example. Draw a cumulative frequency curve for the following data. I have the weight of a box, which is W in kilograms, and the frequency. So I will be having the cumulative frequency to be on the y-axis and the weight of the box, which is in kilograms, on the x-axis. This is W in kilograms. The first thing that I have to do is I want to add a column in here and to call it cumulative frequency. Let's see how we can find out the cumulative frequency for each value. First, I start by 11. Then, which is the first value, then I add 16. So 11 plus 16, it gives me 27. Then also, I add 29. So 29 plus 27, it gives me 56. And then I add 26 to the 56, it gives me 56 plus 26, it gives me 82. Also, I add the 20, so it will be 102. Let's just find out the sum of the total frequency. In run matrix, I add 11 plus 16 plus 29 plus 26 plus I have the 20. This would be equal to 102. So the sum of the total frequency also is equal, sum of f is equal to 102. As a way to check that your work is correct, the last value in the cumulative frequency must be equal to the sum of the frequency. Now, in order to draw the cumulative frequency curve, I always start, since I have a 0, I start from the 0 and 0 as the first point. Let's label our axes. Let me having each line to be 20. This is 40. This is 60. This is 80. This is 100, and this is 120. My diagram is not to scale, but yours must be to scale. You must use a graphical paper in order to draw your cumulative frequency curves. Let's make this to be 4. This is 8. This is 12. This is 16. And this is 20. Now, let's plot. I used 0 with 0. Now I take the 4 with the 11. So it's 4 with 11. I'll be having it here. The next one, I'll be taking the 8 with 27. So I have 8 with 27. It's somewhere here. Then I have 12 with 56. This is 12 with 56. It is this one. And then I have 16 with 82. So 16 with 82, it will be here. And the last value is 20 with 102. The 20 with 102 is here. So now I have to join these lines with a smooth curve. If you can see, it has an S shape. And this is how we draw a cumulative frequency curve. It always must have an S shape.